Alright guys, here is the smart way to manage multiple TikTok accounts without being banned or flagged. So let's say you want to manage multiple TikTok accounts and you don't know how to do it. And let's say even if you do know how to do it, but maybe you keep getting blanked, you keep getting banned. How do you fix that? In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through my own exact setup I use in managing more than 10 to 15 different TikTok profiles. So the main tool I get to use in managing multiple TikTok accounts without getting banned or flagged is GeeLark. So with GeeLark guys, you can run multiple social media accounts on cloud phones. Now you get to create your content, you get to watch videos, you get to do whatever thing you need a cloud phone for. What we need to do right now is to purchase our cloud phone. So how do we purchase our cloud phones? If you use the link down below, it's going to bring you over to the GeeLark page, and once you are right here, you want to come right to the pricing tab. Okay, and once you're right here on the pricing tab, you're going to be finding all of the available plans, all right, that GeeLark is offering. And mind you, they have a free starter plan that you can use in testing out things to see if they work the way you want them to. And this one is basically going to be giving you access to just 2 cloud phones. So let's say you want to do more than 2 cloud phones, you might need to go with the other plan here, which is available, and it's also going to be giving you 20 cloud phones. And how much you have to pay for this is just $9.75. So once you have $9.75, you're so sure to be purchasing 20 cloud phones already on GeeLark. And in case you want to increase the cloud phones you're purchasing, you just need to come right to this very page here, and you can select how many cloud phones you want to purchase. So once you've been able to purchase your your cloud phones, you should have no issues trying to activate them on GeeLark. Now, how do you get to activate them so you can start using them for TikTok and many other social media sites? So you want to come right here to the profiles tab, and you want to click on the profiles tab. Mind you, since you're creating a new account, you might not have a you might not have a cloud phone right here. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. For you to create a new cloud phone and activate it, you want to come right here to the new profile. Okay, you want to click on new profile. Once you click on the new profile, it's going to open up this page. Now, this is where you're going to be activating your cloud phone. So everything you want your cloud phone to look like, the kind of settings, the kind of phones you want to use, the operating system, this is where you're going to be doing it. And I always recommend that everyone watching content like this should pay attention. So right from here, the first thing we have to do is to give our cloud phones its name. So let me just give this basically a tag name. All right guys, so you can see I actually have this code name for my cloud phone, and the next thing I have to do right now is to choose the operating system, an Android or an iPhone. And now for the iPhone operating system, it's still under development, so we're going to be working with the Android phone. And right here where we have the tags and the groups, we might leave that because it's quite optional. All right, now you want to come right to the proxy settings. Now I need you to know that every cloud phone you see working here and there basically is powered by a proxy. If you don't have a proxy, you might have issues trying to use cloud phones, and this is why many people don't understand how cloud phones work. A cloud phone needs a proxy to work effectively. And how do you get your proxies? I have quite a number of videos on my channel teaching you where to get proxies from, and also so many other things related to that. So for my proxy guys, I'm going to be making use of this particular one here, which is from Evomi. Okay, I have a video right here on my channel teaching you how to purchase your proxies on Evomi and so many other proxy sites. You can do all to watch that so you can have access to proxies. Now for my proxy guys, I'm just going to quickly copy my proxy link, and I'm going to come back right to my GeeLark dashboard. Okay, and right here where it's telling me to impute my host and every other thing, I'm just going to impute that right in there. And automatically once I do that, if I click on check my proxy, you can see right here my proxy has been activated successfully. And all I have to do right now is very easy. I can come right here to choose my device information, and yeah, you can see the version of the kind of phones I want to be working with. Now if I click on Android 15, you're going to be finding lots and lots of mobile phones that I can use on GeeLark. So you're not restricted to a particular kind of phone. You can make use of different versions and different Android versions of phones to help you get the job done when trying to create and manage multiple accounts on different social media sites. So I will always work with the first one here, which is the Android 15, and I always recommend you also go with that. And also guys, if you look at this very corner right here, you're going to be having an overview of what your phone looks like. Now for instance, now you can see that the South African logo is actually showing here. That's because my proxy is coming from South Africa. So it means my phone is going to be operating from that location. And now you can see we have Africa, this is Johannesburg, and you can see many other things such as a mobile number right here. And you can see right here we have the Android kind. It is Android 15. That's the version of the phone I'm working with. And you can see the name of the phone is Vivo. So literally you have a brand new phone on you. Just the fact that this is based on cloud, you can touch it, you can feel it, but you can only see it. And you can see the model of the phone is X20, and also the IMEI code number is also right here. And if you click on show advanced information, you're going to be finding so many other things about your phone. So you don't have to worry about GeeLark. Why? Because you're having access to a cloud phone that works like a real human phone. And once you are done with that, all we need to do is to click on create. And right here, guys, you can see we have a second cloud phone already created for us. You can also repeat the same thing for the third, for the fourth, for the fifth. It depends on how many cloud phones you want to work with. All right, guys. So right now, what we are going to be doing is to test our cloud phones. So now you can see we have 4 cloud phones awaiting trials. Okay, the first one right here, the second, the third, and the fourth. And each of those cloud phones are basically working from different locations, as you can see on my screen. So I'm going to turn on the first one right in here. And also for the second one, I'm going to turn this on. The third, I'm going to turn this on as well. And I'm also going to turn on the fourth phone right on. So each and every of these phones you are basically looking at are going to be working like a functional Android phone. So you don't have to worry how the phone is going to work. Everything you're going to be finding out right here. So we can see we have all our cloud phones being turned on already. So given this few seconds, you should have your phone already turned on. It's not going to be a big deal trying to access your phone on the cloud. And you can see, guys, we have all our cloud phones already turned on. So right now, guys, let's get to install TikTok into our cloud phones. Now you have 2 ways of doing that. Basically, the first one, you can actually use the Google Play Store route. So all you need to do is to sign in, and from there you can install whatever app you want to work with. Okay, now mind you, guys, I actually have this particular route that I find more suitable, and which is you coming right to the top down below. Okay, if you come right here and you click on the apps, okay, that icon basically is going to open up this kind of field where you're going to be having access to probably hundreds of apps that you can install into your cloud phone. So if you're looking for TikTok, all you need to do is to come right to the search bar and you want to search for TikTok. So if you click on search for TikTok, all right, it's going to be showing you all the apps that are available. And you can see we have the TikTok Studio, TikTok Lite Asia, TikTok Lite, TikTok Seller, and we have the TikTok app itself. So we're going to be working with this particular one right here. I'm going to click on install the TikTok app, and you can see it's saying installing. So you don't have to really go through the Play Store route. Okay, you can use this method to install any app of your choice. So you can search for any app and the game, you can have it right in there. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for this particular one too. I'm going to click on apps right in here, and I'm just going to search for TikTok. And here we go, guys. You can see we have TikTok already installed on the first cloud phone. We have TikTok app also on the second cloud phone. The third cloud phone also has TikTok, and the fourth also has TikTok. So I'm going to open up TikTok on the first cloud phone, the second cloud phone, TikTok as well, and the third cloud phone, TikTok, and also on the fourth cloud phone, TikTok. And you can see, guys, with the setup we're basically making use of, it's easy for us to access TikTok on multiple profiles. So what you need to do right now is to agree to TikTok terms and conditions, and what you need to do next is to sign in into your TikTok account. So if you have TikTok's account, all you need to do right now is to sign in into each and every one of them. And trust me, each and every of those cloud phones are working from different locations, so you don't have issues trying to see if you're going to be banned or whatsoever thing like that. You just need to enjoy accessing TikTok on any of the cloud phones that you are working with. This is how you get to manage multiple TikTok accounts safe and easy without getting banned. So you can enjoy watching your TikTok videos, and all thanks to GeeLark. So GeeLark is one super platform where you can have access to cloud phones that can be used for many other social platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Gmail, Tinder, Instagram, Facebook. It all depends on the social platform you want to work with. So with GeeLark, you have no issues trying to manage multiple accounts on different social media sites. So you can use the link down below to get access to GeeLark today. And also don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you have any question, let me know and I'll do well to answer your question. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.